Hello everyone! This is our showroom in Thailand factory. This is bar sinks. 3 bar sinks with commercial faucet. This is a commercial faucet, it's quite tall. And the spring faucet is one of the most popular one. Bar faucet as well. This is a super large 45-inch workstation sink. There is 2 ledges. These are bathroom sink. Vessel sink, gold undermount, lavatory sink. And this is a top mount square bathroom sink. These are shower niches. Shower niche is very popular. So it is for the storage or the display for your soap dish and everything. And these are bathroom sink with patterns. And this is hammered pattern. Very beautiful. We also produce kinds of faucets in our Thailand factory. Wide spread, 4-inch. See, not only lavatory faucet, but also kitchen faucets.